Good morning, boys and girls. We are back with our 12th day of online learning. This morning, we're going to start off as we usually do with our morning routine. We're going to do our calendar, followed by our days of the week, our months, calendar count, 100 board count, our sight words, and then we'll move on to our reading table. So let's get started. Alrighty, our calendar looks a little different today than it did yesterday, and that's because we started a new month. But let's go ahead and start off with our days of the week. And so we see that today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. So let's go ahead and sing our days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Good job, boys and girls. So we're going to move on to our month, and we are in a new month, the month of April. If we remember, how many months in the year is there? Are there? Correct. There are 12 days, 12 months in a year, and April would be our fourth month. Good job. Let's go ahead and take a look at our months. And here we are, and we see right there, April is our fourth month. So let's go ahead and say all of our months. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. So we've moved on to a new month. We are now in the month of April, and that is our fourth month of the year. We are in the year 2020. And so let's go ahead and bring all of our date together. And of course, we only have one little number on our calendar today. And our calendar count, we would say first. I would like you to take a closer look at that. It's a little different. It has a design on it, an umbrella. And you might have heard the saying, April showers bring May flowers. So April is a month that it tends to rain a lot, but that's okay because it's helping the flowers and the trees and everything to be able to bloom in May. So what we're going to be starting is I'm going to have a pattern going with our dates, and we'll talk more about that as we get more days on our calendar. So we're going to do a little something different with our dates on our calendar. But let's go ahead and bring our whole date together. And so we'll start off with today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. Good job. The season is spring. Still it's spring. And as for the weather, you're going to go ahead when you take your attendance today and type in what you see when you look outside your window. Alrighty, again, we usually do our calendar count, and we only have one number, and we would say first, because that's calendar count. But let's move on over here to our 100 board. And with our 100 board, we're going to count regular. So we're going to just say 1, 2, 3. And we're going to count all the way to 100. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, let's go ahead and start by 10. Count by 10s. And our 10s are in our blue lined numbers. And so we start with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And now we're going to count by fives. When we count by fives, we count our pink and our blue numbers. And we start off with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Nice job. Moving on up to our words to know. And we'll start all the way down at the end. And we go for, go, be, will, find, this, how, is, now, are, you, what, my, with, come, me, to, a, see, and, the, I, like, we, like, I, the, and, see, a, to, me, come, with, my, what, you, are, now, is, how, this, find, will, be, go, and for. Nice job. We are on our last day of lesson 20. We read Curious George, Dinosaur Discovery, and we also read its companion read, Exploring Land and Water. We focused on It's Fun to Explore, and in both texts, we were exploring, whether we were exploring the land and water, or Curious George was exploring a quarry. Exploring was depicted as being a lot of fun. Our essential question is, why is it important to know when things happen in a story? And we focused on sequence of events. We visualized things to understand how things happened in the story. Our words to know and our letters for the unit we'll go over at our reading table. We learned about synonyms, and we'll do a little exercise on synonyms today. And also we focused on our verbs, past, present, and future. And we'll go over that very quickly as well. We are done with our focus wall. I do want to go over one more thing. Our digraphs. This one, 2 letters come together to make a new sound, make one sound. Excuse me. And so our TH, we learned in our story, the TH didn't like each other, and they would stick their tongues out at each other and go and making that sound as like when we say the word thumb. SH, they were very sneaky, and they always wanted to be quiet, so they were shushing everybody, and they would say shh, just like in the word shoe or even shine. Our WH, we found out that W asked so many questions that H didn't have a chance to say anything. So you never heard the H. And so WH makes the W sound like in whale. And last but not least, C and H. Remember, they were boyfriend and girlfriend, and they liked to climb icy mountains. But then they would catch a cold and they would say ch. So those are the sounds for those digraphs. We'll be reviewing those some more, I believe, in our later chapter. All right, so I'm going to stop here. You go on and look at your ABCs video so we can go over the sounds with the video. And also check with Miss LeBerth. She probably has something for you. And then come on back and we'll be at our reading table. All right, see you soon.